Biko Igbo mụrụ ụzọ m ọzọ ebe ọbụla ị nọ wee na-enweta ozi asị m ya gaziere gị mana ka o si wee dị kịta bụ na ada agwa ochie ntị n'anya esu obodo adọghịzị mma.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This man that you are seeing on my screen like this is an Igbo man based Nigerian soldier, and he's here to advise all the Igbo youth that is living in the homeland. Just take a moment of your time and watch this video and see the kind of advice that he gave all the Igbo youth, especially those that are living in the homeland. So stay tuned and hear from him, and do not forget to share so that other Biafrans can also benefit from this particular video. So share this video and share it to loved ones so that they will not form victim for what they don't know. So share this video and remain blessed. One love.
Biko Igbo mụrụ ụzọ m ọzọ ebe ọbụla ị nọ wee na-enweta ozi asị m ya gaziere gị mana ka o si wee dị kịta bụ na ada agwa ochie ntị n'anya esu obodo adọghịzị mma, obodo asasigo, kachasị ụmụnne m nọ n'ala Igbo. Biko kee nkwụcha amanụ ka m esi wee tosa n'ozi a ka o ruo onye ọbụla ntị. Ka ị na-enweta ozi biko tụsaa na ya ka ndị ọzọ makwa ka ọsịa obodo adịghịzị mma. Kee nkwụcha ebe ọbụla ị nọ, biko kee nkwụcha. Ikwukwana ka ndị omekome abịa wepụ ndụ gị, bịa nara gị ndụ gị n'ike. Biko mụrụ n'anya ka azụ asịkwana na agwara gị mụrụ n'anya ka azụ ebe ọbụla ị nọ. Biko obodo adọghịzịkwa mma, kee nkwụcha. And there's another thing about this life, you cannot sell your brother and expect the buyer to trust you. You sell your brother and you expect the buyer to trust you. Even the buyer go the reason you will get mind sell your brother. What do you mean next thing we go there your mind? The buyer no fit trust you. You go the reason you will get mind sell your brother, nothing you no fit do. Him to go also be careful with you. You mock your brother to entertain the table. You think that's all about it. See, for those ones that are celebrating, those of you that is celebrating, for those of you that way they para, those of you that are weeping, I think you should be calming down. If you are celebrating, I think you should be calming down. If you are regretting, for those of you that is shedding tears, for those of you that is crying, I think you should be calming down. Because you know why? The rain go fall for everybody roof. I go lie for you. The rain go fall for everybody roof. Honestly, the rain go fall for everybody roof.
Hello Nigerians, my Igbo brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and where you are watching this video from. Let us do a simple practical. Let's tell the world that no Igbo want to be in Nigeria. Understand? Because the mistake of Nnamdi Azikiwe, we wouldn't like it to repeat itself again. Remember, if you want Nigeria to be one, to remain one Nigeria, this is Nigeria here. Come to the comment section and type one Nigeria. If you want Nigeria to remain one, type it at the comment section, one Nigeria. And if you want Biafra, you don't want Nigeria, you want Biafra to go. Whether you are a Yoruba man or Hausa man, you don't want the Biafras to remain in Nigeria. Go to the comment section and type Biafra or nothing. Please, let us start doing it now. Share this video for others to see. Follow this page, yo. Make sure you're following this page. Understand? Let's tell the world that the Biafrans doesn't want to be in Nigeria any longer. By typing Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Type it and share this video follow this page. And also, if you want Nigeria, say one Nigeria. Type one Nigeria. Understand? It's very, very important. Thank you and God bless. Let's do this practical. One love.
Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I dare say that Igbo are the greatest stakeholders in the Nigeria project. Half of Abuja is owned by Igbo. Half of the population of Lagos is largely made up of Igbo. There is hardly any place in this country. If you don't see an Igbo man, you better run away from that place. If you don't see a Hausa man, you better run away from that place. Because they go where opportunities abound. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I wish to appeal to our leaders to come and invest in this country, in Imo, and in all parts of the Federation, because this is a nation waiting to unleash its full potentials. As rightly captured by the former president of Mauritius, 1 out of every 4 black men is a Nigerian. And by 2050, we will surpass the United States. Nigeria will be the 3rd most populous nation on earth with a population of 440 million people. And by the end of the century, when all of us here must become poor tenants in the home of the earthworms, Nigeria will be the most populous nation on earth. So I'm proud to call myself a Nigerian.